Alright, you're most welcome once again. We want to continue. Today's main subject. We want to look at the conjugate of what? Of a complex number. If you have any complex number, how can you obtain its what? Its conjugate. People should know that we said that in case you have any complex number, suppose z equals x plus yi is a complex number. Of course, if it is a complex number, it will have both the real axis and what? Imaginary axis. You say that our x is our real part, and then y is our what? Imaginary what? Imaginary part. So in this case, if we have this one here, we say that if you want to get the conjugate of z is denoted by z bar. So that is what we call z bar. So if you are denoting z bar, then your z bar is, you come and write this one, which is x plus y. In this case, you come here and you change it, it becomes a what? A minus. In other words, we are saying that you come and say z bar equals to x minus yi. What do we do? To obtain z bar, we change the sign of the imaginary value. So which change of the imaginary value? If it is positive, it becomes negative. If it is negative, it becomes what? Positive. In other words, z and z bar will be conjugates of what? Conjugates of each other. So that's what we can know. Z and z bar will be conjugates of what? Of each other in that case. So you can look at this and say, and you can have this one, and we can use this one to understand more. So that part A, then if someone say that part A, we shall have z equals maybe 4 minus I. In that case, the conjugate, the one we can write as z bar will be equal to 4. You change the sign of this one to plus I. Part B, if it is z equals maybe 2 plus 4i, then the conjugate z bar will be 2 minus 4i. It can be part C, whereby we have maybe someone can say I in this case. Okay? So if you want to write the conjugate, you can let z equals to I. Then you say that the conjugate will be equal to negative I. So we change the sign of the what? Imaginary part. This one the same as writing 0 plus what? 0 plus I. That's why you are changing the sign of the what? The imaginary part. This is how we do this thing, and that's how we get the what? The conjugate of any complex number. We shall pause from here. I wish you the best.